Hi, in this video I'm going to share with you how to calculate ages. So we can enter date diff functions, right? Now that is the ancient way, right? So we enter the today's date. So equal today's, it captures today's date, and after that we make use of the date diff function, date diff. Select person's date of birth, select these items, lock it, and we want only the year and enter. We got 1929 and 0. Okay, so that's one way to generate the dates. Now we now head to PowerQuery, right? See which one you more prefer. Now PowerQuery require you no need to write a single functions, right? So I highlight this, and then I go to add columns and date and go for age. So now I have an age, and I go to durations, and I go to total year. So see, and finally I change it to whole number, and that's all. Okay, so it's as if like we enter a date functions. All right, so we can also do everything right on the same spot, right? So date, ages, right? Everything on the same column, and total year. Turn it into whole number. Same. And that is how we use Power Query. Thanks for watching these quick tips.